it's actually from this one.
Okay.
The idea came from Lalita Mandret is a lady who had a Kamba pot. In that she put a mesh. Say the Kamba pot itself actually can be not so aerobic. It is aerobic but may not be having enough air circulation. This is a very good combination of less air circulation and more air circulation. ఈ బకెట్లో హోల్డ్ చేయడం is not required. Actually you can put a mesh and then this is can be a fruit cover, fruit basket cover వస్తుంది కదా ప్లాస్టిక్ షాప్లో, అది వేసాం. దాంతో చేసిన కంపోస్టర్. And this is a very efficient one. It's a good combination of holding moisture and more air circulation also. And ఈ stand, this is for the 35 liter, 50 liter drum can be kept. The reason why we went for a stand is it's easy to sweep underneath. And this is a very standard size stand that many people buy even for gardening purpose also. They can grow plants in a drum on this stand. This is called DIY bin. ఇదంతాను DIY bin. Category 2 or 3 will be there. Most of them are actually 1 kg per day. This bucket also, even though brand is there, we will be removing that. This is a Chutki 16 liter bucket or a 20 liter paint bucket. That's also coming. These are some things we tell them that you can do composting. 3 mm holes. They found that it is easy. The worms don't come out. 3 mm. They may be dangling. Half of the body is outside, half of the body inside, but they don't typically come out of this one. Bottom holes is very important. 10 mm 4 holes is what we do, and top holes also is required because the evaporation in home composting really happens where hot air goes up. So all this is that containers DIY. The second one is Stone Soup Paint, which is very similar to this 20 liter paint bucket. Stone Soup is the company. Tomorrow the lady who runs Stone Soup is coming also today evening. Malini Parmar. She's an SW Martin member as well as Stone Soup's owner, co-founder. So and their container will be here.
Okay. They are getting it.
It's coming in the car, but it's coming from my company. Actually, me and Stone Soup are very closely associated. One thing is Stone Soup doesn't make any bottom holes. I do. I believe in having a bottom hole in any container. The leak check should go out. Kind of thing. Now the next one is Vapra, is this container. You know about this. So this is the rotation always actually helps in mixing as well as oxygen goes in and it helps. The next one is small Kamba is still arriving from Delhi down. It's a Kamba pot, has not come yet. One matka about three mud pots. That container very popular among people because people associate mud pot with eco-friendly. But typically, why do we actually also promote plastic and metal composter? One is actually mud pots are also actually some things once mud is burned, it doesn't get broken down. That's why you are finding mud pots even in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It's a fact. But yes, it is appealing in a garden. It looks nice. It is good. Now the plastic containers can be little light compared to mud pots and also the breakage is part of it. But we as an organization, Swachhabadi, we promote all three and let the customer choose which one is suitable for them. And after small Kamba is the Arvind Solo. Arvind Solo is the container over there. That one. That is actually was near the fish market. In the integrated market.
Yes.
There were 20 of them. It's quite popular among the rich segment because the price is around 15,000 plus.
Okay.
For one, it looks like a washing machine or a refrigerator. It is an aerobic composting.
Okay.
Here we are covering only aerobic compost. Here, bins here. The next one is the rotating drum, and that's from Spintech. Yeah, Spintech. Kishore is the person contact. It's from Aurangabad.
Okay.
Shanti has one at her
Price
home.
of this, sir?
This is about 8,000 on the hour.
Plus, somebody survey last suddenly.
Yeah.
For the sake of people, very last.
Yes, it's about 8,000. No, our intent is to provide the contact number and this thing.
They can directly
so that they can
contact, but
contact.
still,
but-
they will ask us,
Ask,
whether to purchase this or not, they will decide here only.
అక్కడ నేను ఇప్పుడే అక్కడ వస్తున్నాను మీరు వెళ్ళండి నేను వస్తాను. This is My Green Bin is from another company, Chennai based company. It is an aerobic bin with a tap below and it's made of FRP and the aeration mechanism is similar to all the aerobic.
This price, sir?
I don't know. My Green Bin is the website. We don't have a board.
Actually, KTR is coming, no? So they put up in Pasha.